This is a nope, because when you see one, it's like, nope, I don't need to go to the bathroom anymore. Oh, heck nope. But some nopes are cute nopes, also known as less nopey nopes, or spooters. Check out this baby spooter. Cute nopes are sometimes doing a curious. This one's wearing a water hat. This one's a floofy nope. And this one's a... You thought it was nope, but actually it's a pupper. Bamboozled again. If you know your nope anatomy, nopes are less scary. They've got these lovely lashes and a whole bunch of blinkies. These are their scuttlers, and sort of similar but kind of different are their nom-nom wigglers. Those are for eating flies, or moths, or holy heck, that one caught a sneck. Nope, not gonna sleep tonight. Back to anatomy. A very important part of the nope is the silk skeeter, which is located on the greater fuzzbum region. Some nopes have fancy fuzzbums, like the Happy Fanny, Skeletor, and Jason. Mr. T has an especially fuzzy fuzzbum. This one's just an overachiever. And maybe don't get too close to the danger bow tie. The naming of the nope led to the naming of related nopes, like the nope rope nope, and the nopelope. Visualize your nopes and anything else with Lucidchart. This is a trash cat, sometimes called a trash rat, unless you think they're cute. Then you'd call it an awesome opossum. Fact, there's a difference between opossums and possums. Opossums are these big ones in North America, just the pea possums are these little fuzzballs in Australia. Also fact, the scientific community's preferred terminology is trash cat. Trash cats come in many flavors. There's Minivan Mama, Spicy Mice, Tree Hugger, and Crochet Bebe. There's also Kylie, Ozzy, Fairway Frank, and I don't even know how to categorize it, but this is a possum lady.
You have the most beautiful tail.
Trash cats do things, like they'll do a dangle, eat ticks, quench a thirst, or most famously, they play dead. Wait, that's not a trash cat. That's a doggo. Bamboozled again. Trash cats have many feels. They're anxious, socially awkward, stressed, and turns out they're pretty relatable.
Now, we shall be best friends forever.
Okay, not quite that relatable. Diagram your trash cats and anything else with Lucidchart. This is a cheese boy. A big old cheese boy is called a plague boy, but not all plague boys are bad boys. In fact, they're good boys. To understand cheese boys, you have to understand rat anatomy. First, there's the sniffly wiggler, also called the snoot. Give it a little boop. Then there's the radar dishes, beady peepers, whippy bit, little grabbies, and the chomper.
Nibble, nibble, nibble. Nibble, nibble, nibble.
Cheese boys have many relatives, like the tree rat, the ouch mouse, also called the spiky floof, the furry potato, the guinea pig, and mouse. Cheese boys have to watch out for lots of predators, like burbs, snakes, and danger cheese. But the most lethal predators are catos, and the more fat of the cato, the more dangerous. He chonk, he dangerous. A heckin' chonker's heckin' dangerous, and then if it's a mega chonker, mega dangerous. There are lots of clever names you can give your cheese boys, like Julius Cheeser, Roger Cheddarer, and Rat. It's short for Rathu. He's a Gouda boy. Visualize your cheese boys and anything else with Lucy. The Muppet Claw, and has many other names, like the Apathy Badger, Slow Motion Gorilla, Sentient Coconut, and Slowconut. Muppet Claws do many things, like eating the schmackos and tree hugging, more adorable human hugging, and even more adorable sloth snuggling. They also do tricks, like the inverted nom nom, blop, and Neo Punch. By the way, this is called sloth facing. It's important to understand Muppet Claw anatomy, but there's no rush. They've got fruit sniffers, little itchy sticks, also called branch clingers, wet mascara, and bowl cuts. Muppet Claws have many moods like zen, curious, flirt, fancy, and the most unsettling mood of all, the creep.
Ring around the rosy, a pocket full of posies, ashes, ashes.
Visualize your Muppet Claws and anything else with Lucidchart. Nope. Also called the danger floof, big forest pupper, or murder carpet. And there are many kinds, like the raccoon bear, cobra bear, and murder cotton ball. Then there's the fiercest furry nope of all, the grizzlord. We can't forget the floppy-eared... Uh-oh. That's no furry nope, that's a doggo. Bamboozled again. Next up is bear anatomy. Most dangerous are the huggers, skull crushers, and the gulper. Then there's the big old sniffer that finds honey bunches of nope, blub blub doggos, human food, and humans. Last but not least, there's the little toe beans, and the cutest part of all, the nub. Oh, and definitely beware if you see a murder carpet and its little murder babies. Just nope on out of there. Some animals aren't furry nopes because they barely miss the mark. Like the noodle bear, trash panda, here's a sad trash panda, gummy bear, and this imposter. And remember, tree floofs are not furry nopes. They don't meet the qualifications. Visualize your furry nopes and anything else with Lucidchart. There are many aqua animals, and some of them are blub blub doggos, like the gupper pupper, Nemo's dad, and the angry boy. This angry boy is wearing a fancy ball gown. There's also the underwater Cheeto, blub blub blob, and the not totally related but still worth mentioning small clip clop nay aqua doggo. These good boys become pregnant boys. It's science! There are tons of blub blub nopes, like the floaty nopey, sometimes called the trouble bubble. Then there's the aquatic sock puppet, aqua roomba, and scissory water spider. And of course, we can't forget the butter sauce cockroach, Sticky Pricky, and its even more terrifying relative, the water mine porcupine. Some aqua animals are named after foods, like the floaty potato, slippery water pancake, forbidden powdered donut, and the water pistachio. By the way, don't step on an ocean turd. Next come the big ol' blub-blubs, like the tuxedo dolphin, tuna corn, toothpick-nosed pickled dolphin, bleached whale, and the toothiest blub-blub of all, the spicy fish. Visualize aqua animals and anything else with Lucidchart.